What is neurons? Neurons are nerve cells that send messages all over your body to allow you to do everything from breathing to talking, eating, walking, and thinking.
Until recently, most neuroscientists, scientists who study the brain, thought we were born with all the neurons we were ever going to have. As children, we might grow some new neurons to help build the pathways, called neural circuits, that act as information highways between different areas of the brain.
The central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, is made up of two basic types of cells. 1. Neurons, the nerve cells that send and receive signals. 2. Glia, cells that provide structure in the brain. In some parts of the brain, there are many more glia than neurons, but neurons are the key players in the brain. Neurons are information messengers. They use electrical and chemical signals to send information between different areas of the brain, as well as between the brain, the spinal cord, and the entire body. Everything we think, feel, and do would be impossible without the work of neurons and their support cells, the glial cells called astrocytes and oligodendrocytes. A neuron has three basic parts: a cell body, and two branches called an axon and a dendrite. Within the cell body is a nucleus, which controls the cell's activities and contains the cell's genetic material. The axon looks like a long tail and sends messages from the cell. A dendrite looks like the branch of a tree and receives messages for the cell. Neurons communicate with each other by sending chemicals, called neurotransmitters, across a tiny space called a synapse, between the axons and dendrites of nearby neurons.